Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to hit citadels in World of Warships and deal massive damage to enemy ships. First, let's talk about what a citadel is. The citadel is the most protected and vital part of a ship. Hitting it causes huge damage, so landing citadel shots is the key to winning gunfights. To hit citadels, you should use AP shells and not HE, which are these ones. AP is designated to penetrate armor and reach the citadel. Next, wait for the enemy ship to show its broadside. This means the ship is turned sideways to you, not front side, but sideways. This is the best moment to shoot because the armor is the weakest from its angle. Aim at the waterline, right under the enemy's main guns, usually around the middle of the ship, which is somewhere around here. That is where the citadel is located for most cruisers and battleships. Distance also matters. At close range, aim slightly above the waterline, and at long range, aim right at the waterline because shells drop as they travel. Citadels are easiest on cruisers because they're very vulnerable when broadside. Battleships are harder because it's possible when broadside, and destroyers, no citadel damage, so don't try it. Also, make sure your shells aren't over-penetrating. If you're too close and shooting lightly armored ships, your shells may go straight through the ship. In that case, aim a little lower or use a different shell type. Practice in co-op battles or the training room, ready to learn ship armor layouts and improve your timing. You can also see the heavily guarded armors in the ship by clicking armor layout in port. And that's it. Wait for broadside, use armor-piercing ammo, aim at the waterline, and watch those citadel hits roll in. That is how you hit citadels in World of Warships.